Hello my friends, this is Shoaib Ahmed, and in my last video I have showed you how to open an account at Uni Assist and how Uni Assist works with your application till the admission in the university. And in my this video I will show you how you can apply at Uni Assist, either it's a bachelor or either it's a master program, and how you can put your data on Uni Assist. I hope this video will gonna help you, and you will get and come across how you can put your application via Uni Assist. And in my next video I will show you how you can apply for a VPD either for a bachelor and either for a master. Okay, so and to note, if you haven't seen my last video, please go and watch how to open account at Uni Assist, and then follow up with this video. And don't waste your time, just go and watch the video. And I'm really sorry, I have not posted my last video since a very long time. Actually, I was not in Germany, I was in the UK, and when I just returned back, I thought you haven't missed too much. And if some of you guys have not applied for the summer 2023 yet, you can just apply now, because still we have a deadlines till 2023 January. So if you have not applied till yet for the summer, you can apply now. Some of the universities have opened their admission in November, and maybe they can close your portal till January, maybe first week of January, or maybe in the second week of January. And if you are from Karachi and you want to give your case to me, so please give your case to me, and I will definitely proceed, and we will definitely help you in granting a admission letter. And why I'm just focusing for the Karachi, because I know I have a lot of guys from for this intake, like they are from Punjab, they are from Karachi, but in the visa appointment setup in Karachi we have bit easy. And the guys who are enrolled via me for this summer 2023, alhamdulillah, 75% of the students have got their admission letter, and still we have 25% students, and definitely they will get the admission in the upcoming week or maybe the next week. So if you also want to give your case to me, do not hesitate, put your case to me, and we will definitely help you down with every of your step. I have found this course for one of my students having bachelor in electrical with a specialization in communication and telecommunication, and he has studied some courses with I would say like computer related, and he has done some courses with Python and all of this stuff. So well, what I suppose this course is basically suit best for him, and inshallah I will definitely get the admission soon. So for this course what we need is basically a bachelor degree, which I stated earlier, and 210 credit points. That is basically your ECTs, and your German grade should be at 2.3 or better. Better means it should be less, like 2.1 to 1.7. Less the German grades, it's mean you have a better chance to achieve to get an admission letter in any of the German university. So what IELTS you need, basically six bands you need in overall, and you have to apply via Uni Assist. This application basically just go with the Uni Assist. And if you have not seen my last video how to open a account in Uni Assist, just go and watch this video and then continue with this one. And I hope things will be clear for you. And this campus basically located in Massachusetts. Okay, and these all these stuffs, and for now I have to go to the Uni Assist, and I have to put the application via Uni Assist. So I will tell you how you gonna fill the application form. So just go with your email if you have not created your email address yet, just create your account and apply with you. Okay, so the next interface is open. Basically this is for summer semester 2023. Either you can search for winter semester as well. For now, like the course name is communication system and network. I have just searched it down, and University of Cologne, Federal State of North Rhine-Westphalia, type of degree master. If you're quite aware with your course, then everything is gonna okay for you. What you need, like then that is like you are looking for a partial course of studies, you can select over here. Uni Assist responsible, definitely they are responsible, and online application. Okay, and okay, I found this one course, and this one is course is the same one as I have found on the Cologne website. What we need to do is basically just to click on the select button. Okay, once I just select it down, it directly appear into my inbox section, and I have to go here, and I have to fill all the mandatory, and I have to submit the handling fees of €75, and I have to upload my all of documents. Once I click here, I have to upload documents. But before, what I need to do is basically is just have a look with these things. Okay, make things easier. I've just fill out the data in order to keep video short. So, but I will guide you how I filled up these all of data. So at first, you have to provide your school attendance certification. I mean all the details. This is like when he started the school. When you just start your school, just put your year, and if you exact know the month, then you can also put over here. Okay, and then the name of the school, the country, the certificate, that is the secondary school certificate, and the date when you left your school. Again, here we have to put higher school details, that is your intermediate, and you have to put the name of your college, when you started, and the country and the certificate, and when you ends, you have to put your date over here. And this is you have to put the details about your university entrance exam. Have you passed a university entrance exam? Yeah. So for this, you have to put yes, and your university name, and when you start your university, just put the detail for the starting date of the university. Now for here, you have like studies outside Germany. Definitely you have foreign degrees, and if you are applying for international programs, then definitely your degrees outside from Germany. And for this, like have you begun or completed a university degree program or vocational training or qualification outside Germany? Yes. And if yes, please provide this detail. This is like when university start from, and when university end, the end date, and then name of the university, also the city, and the course in which you are, and your type of degree, bachelor, master, and have you successfully completed? Yes. Yeah, this is an important thing. If you have done one bachelor of a 2-year and one master for a 2-year, and then you want to both accommodate as a 4-year degree, so you have to put your master details here. So if you have a 2-year bachelor and 2-year master, then it will be accumulated as a 4-year. So you can also put your all the detail for master, and if you have done 2 masters before, then you can also put here. Then student colleague, basically in our case, no. Have you passed Feststellung? No. So, and also student colleague, no. Like if you're applying for a bachelor, then if you have completed your student colleague, then you have to put all the details here. For student colleague, you have to put all of these things stuff here. and if you studied in Germany before, so type all the details. Like there are some students who just want to switch their degree from one to another, so they are already in Germany, so they have to state their first degree, and in our case no. Later on, like how many degrees you have. Okay, click on the save. Yeah, all the mandatory answer are done. So now we have to yeah, this is the important thing. University of Cologne just only required the online application. So if some of the university ask for to submit the application by hand, so you have to submit one another set of document to the Uni Assist. So for now we just only need one, which is the basic requirement by the Uni Assist. So we have to click over here, upload documents, and for now we have to first select the document and then also select the category. We'll start with the letter of motivation. Click on letter of motivation here on the right side, and then go and find upload file. Okay, one is done. Letter of motivation is basically is here, and the other we need is basically language certificate. So let me find. Okay, I got. So similarly we have to like submit all of our documents. If you are applying for more than one university, then you have to put all of the LOM separately, and if they have any application forms that need to be submitted via Uni Assist, then you have to also you have also put your application form, download the application form first and put. Okay, so I have done with all of the documents. So as you can see, I just put down a lot of documents. So if you are just going to submit another application, so you just need to upload a new file for a new LOM. Do not need to put all of these documents again. If you want to delete any of document, you can delete. If you can download any of the document, you can download from here. What I have to do now is basically submit the fee. For submission of the fee, we have to commit again here in the inbox section. So this is my first application, so I mean one application, so I have to pay 75 euro. If I have more than one universities, so I have to pay again 30 euros. So choose the payment option. Well, I have here a credit cards, and also you can pay now. You also select from the payment from the bank as well. In my case, I have a credit card, so proceed to checkout, and I have to go with all of this stuff. Why not this guy is going to be select? Okay, all the guys are done. So basically this is like a payment options. You have to pay your 75 euro here. Just put your credit card details here, and then you are done with your payment. Just click on pay. Okay, so I hope things are clear to you. So best of luck. Apply as soon as possible. As you know, the deadlines are just nearby, and most of the universities have done with their deadlines, and some of the universities have just started with the application for summer. So if you are not done with yet, just go and apply in different universities. So I hope these things will make your life easier, and it will be helpful for you, like how to apply via Uni Assist. Till take care. Bye bye.